When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in the city.
Kevin is kind, considerate, loving, adventurous, and ambitious. I knew after a few months of dating that God had made him just for me. I couldn't imagine my life without him. He is by far the greatest thing that has ever happened to me. I cannot wait to see where this life takes us.
Sarah is unlike any person that I have ever met. It didn't take long after meeting her that I realized that I never wanted to be without her. She is beautiful inside and out. She is selfless, loyal, passionate, and kind. The past 3 years together have been an amazing adventure. I can't wait for this next chapter, and I'm so thankful to have you by my side.